Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Zonin brand. There are 12 pieces of inspirational ballpoint pens with a stylus tip on each one. Really great product. They're all black color. They have motivational words on them. This is excellent for something you want to give your employees because it has little motivational messages on there to people just like that. And it's all nice. It's got a really rubberized grip on here. Real simple to operate, just push. And it has a really nice clip for a shirt, and it has a stylus built in so you can operate your phone effectively and not have to worry about touching your phone. You can do it all remotely just like that. Really nice. They're high quality, and these pens are going to last a long time because they have really large ink cartridges in them. They go all the way through to about here, which is really nice. And the price point of these are excellent to give as a gift to somebody or for your corporate, for your employees. These are about 5.63 inches long, and they're just perfect grip on there because they have that rubberized grip. And they write really smoothly. I like this product. It's very good value. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.